Today, I'm going to show you how to add a custom Calendly pop-up on your website. This is a fantastic way to let visitors schedule appointments with you directly from your site without leaving the page, making it seamless and professional. First, head over to calendly.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the homepage where all your scheduled events are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific event you want to create a pop-up for. Once you've found it, click on the three dots beside that event. This will open up a menu with several options for managing your event. From the menu that appears, click on Add to Website. You'll now see different embedding options available to you. For our purpose today, we want to select Pop-up Text, as this will create an interactive link that triggers the pop-up calendar. After selecting Pop-up Text, click Continue to move forward with the setup. Next, you'll be presented with a code snippet that's specifically generated for your event. Click Copy Code to save the snippet to your clipboard. This code is what will power the pop-up functionality on your website, so make sure it's copied correctly before moving to the next step. Now switch over to your website. For this example, I'm using Squarespace, but the process is similar across most website builders. Once you're in your Squarespace dashboard, look for the custom code option in your settings menu. Click on it, and then select Code Injection. This is where you'll be able to add external code to your site. In the code injection section, you'll see two areas, header and footer. Paste the code you copied from Calendly into the footer section. Placing it here ensures the script loads properly without interfering with your site's performance. After pasting, click Save to apply the changes. Give it a moment to process and save the script to your site. Now here's an important step. Go back to the code you just pasted and locate the last line of code, which should start with something like a href. Carefully copy just that last line. This specific line is what creates the clickable link that will trigger your Calendly pop-up. Head back to your Squarespace editor and click Edit on the page where you want the pop-up link to appear. Once you're in the editor, click Add Block. In the search bar, type code and select the code block option. This will insert a code block directly into your page. Click the pencil icon on the code block to open the editing interface. Now paste the last line of code you copied earlier into this block. This line will create the actual clickable text or button that visitors will use to open your scheduling pop-up. After pasting, click Save and then exit the editor. Now let's test it out to make sure everything is working correctly. Click the preview icon in the upper right corner of your Squarespace dashboard. This will show you how your site looks to visitors. Find the text or link that says something like Schedule Time with Me and click on it. Wait a moment while it loads. Once the loading completes, your Calendly pop-up should appear right there on the screen, allowing visitors to see your availability and book an appointment without leaving your website. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a custom Calendly pop-up into your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.